the illegal conversion of orchard and non-developmental lands. Illegal conversion, how we are going to check it, what measures we are going to take. This is one issue that we will have to discuss at length. May also require certain changes in the amendments in the present act, by which such blatant illegality that is being done by people in a very callous and brazen manner is clamped down with bigger punishments, including making it punishable up to 1 year imprisonment. This has been thought about. We will discuss this at length. Second issue would be to facilitate the legal conversion of lands wherever it is deserving. There are several institutions which have come to us, like the church, like temple committees, like even masjids, like educational institutions, like old age homes, who are saying that we cannot do anything because the entire process of conversion of land has now been paralyzed. So we will have to take a decision about how to restart this process and institutionalize it. Third is the issue about PDAs, the demand for more urban areas, growing urban areas to be brought under the as planning areas. We will have to discuss this.